Hello guys, welcome back in another video. Today I'm gonna explain you why you need the Paralink. This Paralink is available for the Transalp 600 from 1987 till 1999 and also for the Africa Twin RD03 and the RD04. So the new bike like the Transalp 650 and so on have already this one. But the bike I mentioned before doesn't have this one. This is a small mudguard that we call it Paralink. So it protects the link, it protects the swing arm and also the rear shock. For in case you go in a wet road, or also in case you go on a salty road or even the mud. So if your bike doesn't have this one, is an item that you must to have. The cost is only 30 euro, which is more worth it than replace a swing arm and also a rear shocks. Guys, if you like the video and if you want to see more stuff, subscribe to the channel and see you on the next one. Ciao!